Oh, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment ABCs of supply chain week 6 graded assessment. So the first question is, what did Global Electronics do to address their challenges? So these are the options. They ignored customer feedback, they implemented total quality management, they reduced employee training, they focused on short-term profits. So the answer of our first question is B. They implemented total quality management. Now the second question is, what did Motorola use Six Sigma for? So these are the options: to decrease product quality, to drastically improve product quality, to increase manufacturing cost, to reduce customer satisfaction. So the answer of our second question is B, to drastically improve product quality. Now the third question is, what do gross requirement represent in MRP calculation? So these are the options: the current stock level of an item, the total demand for a particular item, orders already placed for material, the actual quantity of an item that needs to be ordered. So the answer of third question also be the total demand for a particular item. Now the fourth question is, what do net requirement represent in MRP calculations? So these are the option: the total demand for an item, the current stock level of an item, the actual quantity of an item that needs to be ordered or produced, order already placed for material. So the answer of our fourth question is C, the actual quantity of an item that needs to be ordered or produced. Now, the fifth question is, what do Six Sigma professionals use to measure process performance and track improvement? So these are the option: intuition, data and metrics, guesswork, opinions. So the answer of our fifth question is B, data and metrics. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.